Okay, let's try and prove how PORPIS works. I'm on Wikipedia, list of earthquakes in 2022. I'm on September, this month. It's been busy. The 4th, there was a 6.9. The 5th, there was a 6.6. We'll just go with the big ones. The 10th, there was a 7.6. And the 17th, 18th, and 19th, there was a 6.5, 6.9, and a 7.6. 5, 9, and 7.6. So let's just show you how this works. And you should believe me that it works for the sun too. The planets going around the sun and interacting with each other, they interact with the sun also. So on September 4th, we have a lineup of Mars, Jupiter, Neptune. See that lineup? And we've also got Mercury, Earth, and Jupiter lining up. Nobody else is really lined up at this point. So that's on the 5th or the 4th. Now, if you look down here on the 5th, we still got a 6.6 that happened. And we'll move up a day to the 5th. It got real busy these 2 days, but we're still in line. 1, 2, 3, Neptune, Jupiter, and Mars, and Mercury, Earth, and Jupiter. Remember, as they rotate, they build up capacitance, and when they get lined up, after they rotate and build up, they discharge. It equalizes. It's a circuit. The circuit equalizes, builds up to a certain point, equalizes, and then it puts for a minute. Then it builds up and equalizes. They can do it several times a day, several times a week, several times a month, so forth. So here we are, back down. On the 10th, there was a 7.6. On the 10th. And that's because of the same lineup, Mars, Jupiter, and Neptune. Mercury, Earth, and Jupiter. They're just rotating, charging up, and discharging. And we're caught directly in it. That's why they're getting bigger. That's why they're bigger. So the 17th, 18th, and 19th, 6.5, 6.9, and 7.6 respectively. We'll just look at those dates real quick. It's the same setup. 17th. And we've still got the lineup of these three. Mars, Jupiter, and Neptune. Believe it or not, Mercury, Earth, and Jupiter are still pretty much lined up, see? Just Mercury is behind the sun from this view. If I go from the other view, if I go to the other view, you can't see Mercury very well. See how far if I get behind Jupiter? You can see they're pretty well lined up. That's why I view this way, so you can see it better. So anyway, that's the 17th. And we'll go to the 18th. Okay, and it's the same thing. It's going to be here for several days. And we'll go to the 19th. Same thing. They're all moving in unison. They'll start spreading out when they start hitting their curves of their orbits. Mars will get out of line here shortly, and the Earth will get out of line, and Mercury's going to come out of line probably before the Earth. Yeah, Mercury will come around and get out of line. And all this will slow down. Let's see how long it takes. We'll play it along and pause it on November the 2nd. And we're getting a little bit out of line here with these three. So even there, we can still have something. And Mercury's way over here, so it's way out of line. Let me go a little farther. A little farther. December 15th, we're still could get some all the way through that time. But you can get other lineups in the meantime. Well, before long, with Uranus out here and Jupiter, yeah, it's already passed. Uranus, Jupiter, and Saturn's already passed. That one won't be for a while because they're in a triangle now. Anyway, that's what causes it, folks. Let me run it back. September 15th. Mercury, Earth, Jupiter, Mars, Jupiter, Neptune. That's what's been causing all the quakes through September here. And we'll still see them probably up to October. Let's see what we'll show here. September 15th. September. There's October 11th. We're a little bit aligned here. It's possible. They'll quit. Oh, definitely by let's see, 9:20. There's the 24th of September. We can still see some there. And Mercury's it's here. It's getting out of line. So up to the 24th of September, we can still see some. 25th, 26th, 27th. 28th of September. Yeah, see, these three are still in line enough to cause some problems. It's got to be three in line or more. But I think Mercury's out far enough. Anyway, I'm telling you, since they interact with each other to cause earthquakes, they interact with the sun to cause its cycles. I'm telling you. We'll see. I'll try and predict some future quakes in my next video. And we'll see you later.